Welcome to the Mechatronics Mind, where hardware meets software, powered by curiosity. Let's build something extraordinary.
Okay, so I guess it's done, and now I want to do is to remove this button and add another push button and make this as an 8-bit binary counter. So let's remove it. Okay, so now I will need to change this logic and here. Then I will need to add I guess others are same. Yes, it's on, it's off, on, off. Oh, it's really beautiful. Okay, so what I want to do is when I will push it one time, it will show 1, 1, 2, it will show 1, 0, because I want to add a binary counter, okay? So let's try it. So to do it, I will need to add another variable. Let's say int I equals to 0. Okay, so whenever I will push that, it will show I equals to 1. Okay, I guess that's fine. And I want to add this one as reverse button, so when there will be 2, and if I press this one, it will show 1. Okay, so I minus 1. And let's say else continue. It didn't work because of these things. Okay, so how to work this way. Okay, let's say I have 8 bits, so the maximum number will be 255, so maximum number of I. Okay, let's say I max equals to 255, so I want to add a limit here. So is I smaller than 255? Okay, so I can add these things, and I want to remove this one because at the end of the day both works for the same light, and the output is more same. So if I greater than 0, I remove these things. Okay, so let's let's check if it's work. Okay, let's get this one as integer. I equals to 0, I max it down. Okay, so let's say I plus 1, I minus 1. I guess there shouldn't be any problem. So you can say finally it's worked. So I guess this thing was the problem. I guess I should add another delay. You can say it's worked fine, and then in reverse way it also works fine. Okay, now it's 3, now it's 2, now it's 1. So that's all for today. Goodbye.